Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Jake from the Neverland Pirates. So let's take our pencils and let's begin. We're going to start by drawing a straight line down. You're just going to draw this vertical line. And then this line we're going to divide in 3 parts. So here is one part and I'm going to make this the other one. So this is going to be the head, the torso and the legs. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to draw a circle and you can follow me. There we go, we'll just draw a circle here, and then with the circle I'm going to make a little line. I'm going to split the circle in half, and then what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to make a curve here as well. Now that I have this curve, I'm just going to sort of block it in. I'm going to make like a little block on top, and then right here on top I'm going to draw hair, and maybe some hair like here. You're just going to draw a rough outline, and we're going to change everything a little bit later. Now right below this corner here, you're just going to draw an ear on this side. And we're just going to do it rough. We're not going to do it perfectly yet. Now I'm just going to draw a straight line, and not a straight line but a line curving down this way, and rough. I'm just going to draw an eye here, right above eyebrows. There we go. And then of course I'm just going to draw an oval, and then underneath this oval for the nose, you're just going to draw a little smile going up with a little dimple right there. Right, now from this I'm just going to make a curve down. I'm going to make a beautiful little cheek, bring it back, and there we go. And there we have a face. Now from here I'm just going to draw some hair, and then we're going to go down. Now here I'm going to go about 3/4 like this, and then we're just going to draw the neck. Now that we have the neck here, I'm just going to make a little line like this, and we're going to block in a torso. So I'm just going to make a little block like this. We're just going to draw in the torso there. Then right here I'm just going to make a line crossing there, and then I'm going to draw 2 lines going outwards. Then from here a line down, and then from there another line down. And now that I have this, I'm going to divide this, and I'm going to follow this down, and I'm just going to make a sort of a boot, a shoe. You can just follow me like this. Then you're going to make a little block there, and we've got this block. Then from here just bring it back to the bottom, don't worry. We're going to change this now. Then I'm just going to draw a little line this way and a line there, and then of course I'm just going to bring it up over like this, and you can do the same here as well. Now we can do a little heel, and we can change it a bit. There we go, and a little heel here as well. There we go. Go out, and I'm just going to make an arm just quickly, and you're going to make a little circle right there. Then right here I'm just going to bring a little arm out, and I'm going to extend it upwards, and here I'm going to make another circle. So we're drawing a stick figure. Now from the stick figure we're going to draw a knife, or it's not a knife, a sword going up, and you're just going to draw a rough sword. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to make it better a little bit later. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. We can draw a little block right there. There we go. And then I'm just going to draw a little handle here as well. Now right here I'm just going to draw fingers. There we go. A little thumb, and we're just going to draw the grip side of there. Now right behind his head fabric coming out here. There we go, there's one, and then here you can draw another one going that way as well. Right, now it's time for a jacket. So I'm just going to draw a little line down like this, and this way we just try something like that, and we're going to draw the jacket. There we go, bring it back. Then right here I'm going to draw a sleeve going back, and we're going to finish that off. Here a little sleeve as well, and we're going to go with the jacket, and we finish the jacket off here as well. And we all do this just roughly. Now right here I'm going to draw a little thumb right there, and then we're going to draw some fingers and the hand going up, there and there, there and there, and then on this side we're just going to draw his little arm going here as well. A little light reflection there, and a little light reflection there as well. So now we can either erase some of the lines and do it over with our pens, make it a little bit better. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to go over the lines, and I'm going to make everything better as I go along. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with Jake's eyes. So I'm just going to draw the eyes a little bit bigger and to the side with a light reflection. And this one is going to be here, light reflection, and I'm going to fill the pupils in. There we go. And then on this side I'm going to do the same thing. Right, now right on top I'm going to do his eyebrows, and of course I'm going to fill them in as well, because Jake's got black hair. Now that I have that, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the ear. I'm going to do the ear right there, and do the inner side of the ear as well. Now I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to follow the curve of his head, his cheek, and I'm just going to bring it all the way around to here. Then from here, I'm just going to draw his little nose like this, just a little nostril there, and then of course his smile and a little dimple. Now on this side I'm going to go behind the ear, and I'm just going to bring the line up. I'm going to close it off. That's his headband, and then we're just going to follow this around, and we're just going to draw his hair here as well, and I'm just going to fill that in as well. We're going to go to the top, and here we can change the hair a little bit if we want. So I'm just going to change it here a little bit, bring it up there, maybe another one there, do this a little bit lower, maybe here one piece of hair and right there, and I'm going to fill that in as well. Now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to do this arm. Now I'm first going to do the arm here, and now I want to draw it a little bit better. And I'm going to draw my fingers right there. There we go. And then from here, I'll draw his little thumb, and then of course we're just going to draw the arm right there. I'm doing this first because this arm goes in front of the jacket. Right, now the first thing that the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw his jacket, and I'm going to curve it all the way back. Then here we're just going to go over and to the neck. Let's draw the neck quickly. Let's finish up with the neck right there. Good. Now we're going to go back here, and we're going to go to the sleeve. And I'm just going to draw the sleeve in there, and then of course he's got two buttons, and then right here he's got this gold color here, and we're just going to bring it down, bring it back. I'm going to divide this because the lower part is going to be blue, and then from his neck we're just going to go down, and I'm going to do the other side of his jacket. There we go. And before I go up, I'm going to draw two buttons again, bring it up, we'll bring the collar out and I'll bring it back in, and then we'll just finish up with the jacket and the sleeve right here as well. We're going to go to the arm. Now first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw the bottom of the sword here, and I'm going to bring it out narrow, and I'm going to make it a little bit wider there, and I'm going to do the same thing here as well, and I'm just going to curve it all the way around, and then I'm just going to bring it back in here. There we go. We're going to draw a little block. There's our block there, and it's going to go over his hands, and here there's going to be a guard for his hand, and here is another guard, and then underneath a little button, and then I'm just going to draw his fingers right here and his hand right there, and I'm just going to pull that out, go back and finish the arm, and there we've got an arm. And then here in the back I'm going to change that a little bit, make it a bit wider, and here as well. There we go. Now we're going to do the shirt. So I have it there, just going to bring it over, and I'm just going to do a cross line right there, and then we're going to do the shirt right about there, and then right here I'm just going to draw a little belt buckle. And there his belt is, and we're just going to draw pants. Now to the boots. Do the soles of the boots, bring it over and connect them. So I have this shape that I can follow. There we go, there's one boot, and then here you're going to do the same, and you can change it as you draw. There you go. And there's Jake. Now what you can do, you can wait for your ink to dry, you can erase your pencil lines and color Jake in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.